Hi, welcome to Linux Zone. In this video, I will show how to install Hyprland window manager in Arch Linux. As you can see, I am using a TTY session. Then it is a new Arch installation. So let's begin. So first, you need to update your system with pacman-syu. Then next command is install hyprland, waybar, Mako and Tilix. Mako is a notification manager and Tilix is a terminal. You can install the terminal whatever you want, like Electricity and some more additional packages like NeoVim and Nano. Then if you are using virtual machine, then install Spice, VDA agent, UMU, guest agent and VirtualBox guest util. Then install some more packages like STG, user, DIRs, SDG desktop portal, GTK and Thunner file manager. Then create directory called hyper in .config in home directory. Run this command mkdir-p.config, then hyper. Then copy the hyprland configuration file in this directory. Run this command. Then create a waybar configuration directory in the config.config directory. Run this command mkdir.config, then waybar. Then copy the default waybar configuration file in this directory. Run this command. Then with the same command, copy the style.css file also. Don't rename it, just copy it waybar directory. Now we need to edit the hyprland.conf file. Run this command nano.config hyper, then hyprland.conf. I will leave a pinned comment for the nvidia graphic card. In that comment I will leave some environment variable that need to set in the hyprland.conf file to run on nvidia card. Then as you can see, you can set your programs like terminal equal to Tilix and file manager is Thunar. Then scroll down, exec once, write uncomment one of these, then write waybar and Mako, then leave the end in the end. Then scroll down, key binding section, bind equal to main mode. Instead of this enter, write the return and comma exec and comma and Tilix. It's time to run the hyprland. Just write hyprland, H in capital letter, then press enter and you will see this. Then to open the Tilix, press window key on your keyboard and press enter. So you can change the theme to the dark. Go to preference, then appearance, then theme to dark. Then close the preference with the window key and C. Then we need to install the wofi, sudo pacman-wofi, then window key and R. You can see the apps. Press ESC to cancel it. Then install these fonts, sudo pacman-otf-font-person. Then run this command fc-cache-ev Then you can reboot your system or press the window key then M to close the hyperland. As you can see, the icons in the waybar now visible. Then open terminal and run this command nano.config waybar config. We need to edit this configuration file of waybar. Then replace the sway with hyperland. All the instances of sway with the hyperland one like this. Then remove the uncomment by removing the / in the first line layer top. Then scroll down, then remove these /2, uncomment these, remove this and replace sway with hyperland. Then save and exit. Now relaunch the hyperland. You need to press window key and M. You will see this again UTY session. Then run the hyperland again. Now you can see the workspace number. Press window key and 1 2 3 4. You will see the workspace number. Then next command, run this command notify-send hello world. As you can see, the notification is working, hello world. So that's it in the video. Like and subscribe and comment about the hyperland. See you in the next video.